So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 tarot messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. My throat is hurting like crazy, so I'm going to talk a little okay like this. Um, yes, keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate, and don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Pisces. Overall energy for Pisces people for this week. So we have the Two of Pentacles. There's going to be a lot of back and forth and up and down, on and off kind of energies regarding a particular choice or decision that you might have to make in a particular situation. But for most of you, it's related to your money or finances or something related to your stability. That's going to go up and down, and there's a lot of confusion going on about what to do and what not to do in a particular situation because it's difficult to deal with. It's something that you need a balanced kind of approach to heal, to handle, right? So but you're trying your best to keep your energy stable and figure it out in a proper way. So the overall energy is going to be stabilizing something that is going back and forth, on and off, or full of confusion in your life. That is the overall energy for this week. For 27th, we have the Four of Pentacles. You are going to hold on to something or someone very, very tightly, as if your life depends on this particular person or situation. Or maybe you are going to hold on to your money situation very, very tightly, like you are going to make a tight budget, or you're going to make a tight schedule, like this day I'm going to spend this much only, or this much only, or that much only. But whatever it is, whatever you're going to hold on to, like this, I don't think so. It's a good idea because the more you are going to attach yourself to something or someone like this, the more it's going to slip away from hands. This is the law. This is how it works. The more you are going to attach to the outcome or attach to something or someone, the more it's going to get away from you. And the more you're going to detach, the more it's going to come towards you, right? This is how it happens. This is how it works. So you're going to be holding on to something or someone very, very tightly because it's very, very important for you, according to you. A little bit of miserable energy. Little bit, not like, oh my god, I'm going crazy. And 28, we have the Hermit card. You will be thinking long and hard enough about something regarding some very, very important decision of your life. A lot of contemplation is going on, a lot of self questioning is going on. You might be in this energy of, I have gone through same kind of situations before as well. So you are going to have a lot of, you are going to use your experience, your knowledge, your wisdom, and the lessons that you have got in a particular situation or in your life, and you're going to integrate all these things into making the right choice or right decision in a particular situation of your life. For some of you, you are going to go introvert. You are going to be mostly uh, with yourself on this particular day, 27, 28. 29th, we have the Queen of Swords. You are going to be a little bit irritated or frustrated or angry, and you might say something or do something that other people might take in a wrong way, or they are going to take it in as like you're very rude, or you are behaving like an asshole or a bitch or something. So try not to hurt other people because you yourself is angry or pissed off. Try not to project all of your anger or frustration on the wrong people or wrong energies. It might not go well. Okay, cool. Try to calm down, or maybe try to be with yourself as much as you can on this particular day. 20, 29, 30, 31st, we have the Sun card. This is the happiest card in the deck. You are going to get some kind of good news, or your inner child is going to come out, or you are going to feel very, very happy because you will be going somewhere on an outing, on a trip or something, somewhere something, or you are going to get some kind of clarity or answers that you were seeking for from a very, very long time, and you were not able to get that. Finally, you guys will be able to get some kind of answers or clarity in a situation, and that's going to make you feel at the top of the world, kind of a thing. That's really cool energy. A lot of happiness is coming this on this particular day. A lot of positivity is coming for you guys on this particular day. So 31st, we have the Six of Cups. Coming together, coming back together, reconciliation, maybe for some of you, nostalgia. Maybe you're missing your friends, your family members, or maybe you're missing a pet that you had in your childhood. Maybe revisiting like your childhood memories or childhood friends. So there is a sense of nostalgia, there is a sense of revisiting the past with good vibes, good energies, good kind of feelings. Okay, it's not like sadness or missing someone like crazy and crying over something or someone. It's like feeling good about something or someone, and revisiting that person or that situation with all of your heart and soul, and feeling like reconnecting or revisiting. That's cool. Now, before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 Osho meditation online meditation camp festival, whatever you call it, happening from 1st till the 7th of August 2026. In all the previous videos, I said 1 to 7 September. It's actually 1 to 7 August 2026. 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. 3,500 is the fees for Indians, and for others, it's 200 USD. Two things to keep in mind: you should be 16 plus, and you should have the courage and the strength to keep your camera open so that I can see your face, so that I can see if you're doing the meditations correctly or not. That is very, very important. Okay. And this is going to be like 7 chakra cleansing and healing. A lot of blockages are going to be removed from your chakras. You're going to feel lighter, you're going to feel happier. This is surely going to act as a catalyst for your healing or your spiritual journey. Um so the results are going to vary from person to person, because this is like, it depends on your energy. It depends on what you are doing right now regarding like your healing or your spiritual growth. Accordingly, you are going to get the results. But if you are going to attend all the 7 sessions, for sure you are going to see the changes and the shifts in your energies from inside, right? So link is in the description box for the same. Read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to buy it, because the fees is non-refundable. So I'll see you on the other side. Very excited to share this journey with you guys. So let's come back to the reading. For first, we have the Knight of Cups. Good news, some kind of proposal, some kind of maybe message or communication or apologies coming forward towards you. If somebody has done something wrong with you, they might apologize to you. If you're waiting for some kind of good news related to some kind of emotional happiness, emotional fulfillment, there are very, very good chances of you getting that. For some of you, you might get some kind of marriage proposal also. Hmm? Marriage proposal or commitment offer, or some kind of reconnection offer for some of you. It can be a friendship, it can be a romantic thing, but there are very good chances of somebody coming towards you with genuine energies of trying to make things right with you, trying to make things right and take it forward in a very, very positive way. 2nd of August, we have the Three of Pentacles, collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together, whatever it is, for especially if it is related to your work, if you are going to work in a teamwork kind of a setup, or if you are planning to do something in collaboration or partnership, there are very, very good chances that you guys are going to have major success in the coming future if you guys are going to do it in a teamwork, as a team member, without any kind of ego, without any kind of competition. Something is going to work out really, really well for you guys in the coming future. For couples who are seeking for couple therapy, or they should take help or not, they should definitely take the help from another person, or a healer or mentor or a guide. That is going to help you guys a lot in moving forward in your life, and making your connection good with your person. But working in a team or connecting or collaboration partnership of any kind is going to give you much more beautiful and positive results than it is going to give you like working alone or by yourself, right? Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Pisces. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Putting your effort and energy into something where you want to achieve something in your life, do it one day at a time. Do it step by step. Huh? Putting in the effort and energy in the right direction with the right kind of intention and lot of patience is actually going to give you the kind of results that you're hoping for, especially if it is related to your wealth management, financial growth, and maybe you are planning like early retirement or something. So the more you are going to stress over something, and the more you are going to do it in a quick way, like I want to do it right now, I want to fix it right now, I want to get it done right now, it's not happening. Try to do it in a positive way, step by step. So step by step, slow and steady is going to give you the good results. Or if you are planning for savings or investments, Look for long term investments and plans that are going to have short results in the long term than for short term things that are going to be quick money making schemes or something that might not go well for you, huh? Look out for that energies, okay? And put your efforts and energy in the right things with the right kind of intentions. Okay, I suddenly felt a lot of light is coming. I don't know what is happening. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.